Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing the Walmart grocery haul and the weekly meal plan. I also went to Sam's because we needed some of our essential items that we usually always get in bulk. But the only thing that you do not see here is 2 packs of water, and Jared picked up some Oktoberfest because it is that time of year when Samuel Adams comes out with that kind of beer. So he picked that up. But everything else you see here is from Sam's and from Walmart. And we paid roughly about $60. Now, at Sam's, we picked up our 3 pounds of bacon, which are usually around $11. It's like $10.48, so it's about $11. 3 pounds. Love this kind of bacon. It's thick bacon also, so really good. We got some green grapes because they were $1 off, so I paid like $3 for this big pack of grapes. We got 2 packs of the 18 eggs, which are usually around $3 for this 2 packs, so we picked that up. We picked some milk up. We usually pick it up at Walmart, but we were going to go to Sam's anyway second, so we might as well pick up the dairy stuff. Now at Walmart, we picked up these country style ribs because we couldn't find any pork belly for the sticky pork belly recipe that we always do. So we're going to try to cut this up, steam it in the pressure cooker, and then make it kind of like that. So we're going to try that out. We got some ginger. There wasn't any peaches. I was really sad. But we got some nectarines, which looks really good too. They're a little hard, so I'm going to throw them in the cabinet. Jared wanted a box grater, so it'll be easier to grate his cheese or hash browns or anything like that. We got some chicken broth for the pork belly recipe. We need some more bagels. Jared needed a drink. We also got a Sprite, and he got another drink that he already drank while we were shopping. Parmesan cheese for a recipe, and then we got some Oreos. And that is it. Like I said, we did have 2 packs of water and some Samuel Adams beer. So, alright, moving right along for the weekly meal plan. We're going to have burger bowls, which is essentially just a burger with no bun. We're going to have some baked fries. Monday, we're going to try the pork belly, the sticky pork belly with broccoli, and we have some frozen pot stickers that we really need to cook before they get some freezer burn. Tuesday's leftovers. Wednesday, we're going to have a try and true, which is the chicken Loretto with the roasted veggies. Now, if you have watched my What I Eat for Dinner, you will know what this looks like, and it's really good. Try and true. It is on my Pinterest, which is linked down below. Thursday, we're going to have breakfast, so we're going to have eggs, hash browns, and we have some sausages we need to cook up. Friday, I go back to work, 7 p to 7 a, so we're going to have some baked buffalo chicken wings. We have some sauce that we need to use up, and then we have chicken wings in the freezer. And then Saturday, I work again, night shift, so I'm just going to eat some leftovers, or whatever leftovers we have here. That is going to be my dinner because I will be sleeping all day until about 5 p.m. Alright guys, so this is the overview once again. That was our weekly meal plan that we are going to have. I hope you are having a great week. So let me know if you are a new subscriber. I would love to go and check your channel out. Let me know if you do grocery hauls, budgeting, anything and everything. I will go and support y'all guys because I absolutely love meeting new people. But anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye.